Hello, my name is David Isamuj. If you are just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yeah, my channel is all about design, print on demand design, branding design, and the rest, everything design, if you may ask. So just make sure you are sticking around to my channel. Yes, I'm going to be creating a t-shirt design today for you guys. So if you guys already know me, you know I do this super well. I create t-shirt design inspiration for you guys, and I create designs that can make you passive income from print on demand. We're talking print on demand from sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. Yes, you know what happened this year, so now you need to start making money from home. If you've not thought about it before, if you've thought about it, you need to focus not just on print on demand, but print on demand should be added to your stream of income. So I don't want to waste your time on this one. I'm just going to go to design, t-shirt design. So I'm going to be using this for my background. This is Placeit, just in case you don't know. As you can see, it's Placeit, it's placeit.net. Okay, so it's placeit.net. So I will search for my design. I want to do something with the pilot, so let me just do, okay, let me do pilot. If I do pilot t-shirt, let's see what it brings out. All right, so I'll just do pilot t-shirt and see what it brings out for us. Okay, so you have orbitings, you have animal things. If you click on this, it's going to give you animals, aliens, dinosaurs, as much as you can think of. Hobbies, you have whatever hobbies. I think you have majority here, but just few here. You have this holiday t-shirts. Okay, 4th of July holiday t-shirt, Christmas, Easter, Father's Day, you know, as much as you can. We also have trending, but for this one I'm trying to get a pilot t-shirt. Okay, trying to get a pilot t-shirt, but it's not allowing me search for that. I don't know why. Okay, let me search it for pilot t-shirt. Okay, so I'll search it here and see what happens. 3 results, that's 3 results. So I'm going to see what happens here. So as you can see, these are just the 3 results. Okay, there are actually 4. Okay, I like this one that says girls can fly. Girls can fly. I love to travel, and just hear the announcement and realize it's a woman flying the plane. You know, those occupations where you rarely see women do it. I love to see them do it. It gives me joy. So for this one, you can see it has opened on a new tab. You can actually go in and change the colors the way you want them to be. It's super easy, not complicated at all. Not complicated at all. You just go in, change the design, change it to something you want. You see main graphics, you can change the woman graphics from girls can fly to something else. You can change it to pilot lifestyle. If I just type in pilot here, okay, it's going to give me a lot of design. Or if I do plain, okay, if I do plain, okay, so if I do plain, I can decide to go down and just find one like this one. Now I like this design. I can click on it. It's going to appear here, replacing this main graphics, as you can see. So you can see this one says girls can fly. You can go over and you still see some other ones. Okay, so you can just go back and get rid of this box if you don't want the box. Okay, not that. If you don't want this box, you can get rid of this box. Just change that box. Frame color, you can put frame color to whatever, but you should be able to change out the frame color and just delete that. Okay, you should be able to delete that, but it's not letting us delete that. So you can see, you can just use it the way it is and just see where it says girls can fly. You can just change it to pilot lifestyle or something. Just find something creative, or you put this to the side and look for girl. Okay, just a girl if you want it to be girly. Okay, if you want it to be girly, just find a good girl image that you can add, like this one. Okay, no, we'll use this other one. Okay, let's use this. So you say girl can fly, you can actually add another text or upload a logo or something. Okay, you can also do that. So for this one, you can change it to whatever you want. Okay, you can just say I fly you anywhere. Say just something unique, and you really can't get it off my head right now. Okay, add another graphics. Let me add another graphics. Okay, so I can decide to add another graphics and search. I'll just search girl here. Since I'm not getting a different graphics off my head, I can just delete that. I don't want. Let me find girls can fly. Okay, so like for now we can use this one. Okay, we can use this one, just bring it in, change the color. You can change the color. I think you should be able to change colors. You should be able to change the color to something unique. Okay, so we'll try and make the color closer to the girls, either the plane or the text, just something close. I think I'm getting there, I'm not sure. Okay, yes, so you can see how it is. You can just put it to that side, increase it a bit. Okay, so it says girls can fly. You can decide to just put it like this. All right, so now you have your design. All you have to do now is to go back and save it. Remember to always turn off. Okay, you can always turn off the background. See background image, background color, you turn that off if you don't need it. Okay, so that you're just left with your design. You're just left with your design. Then all you have to do is to click on your download and it will download for you. Yes, if you want to use Placeit and you want to get 15% off, I have that for you. So check the fourth link in the description. You'll be able to get 15% off Placeit subscription. If you want to use Placeit for your design, you can use Placeit for any design. Trust me, as you can see, YouTube banner, whatever, you can use Placeit for any of your design. All you have to do is just to go over, click on whatever you want, and trust me, you're going to have a lot of designs you can choose from. Like the Christmas season which is coming, you can just decide to come over and just use one. Okay, you can use as much as you want. So to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, my people.